How to create a private playlist on Deezer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a private playlist on Deezer. So first thing we do is you go to Deezer. As you can see, this is the home page. Now you go down to favorites and click here and then choose playlists, and after that click on create a new playlist. And now you have to write a name. Let's say secrets music, and you can now choose private here, and this will be a private playlist, and then you choose create. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to like and subscribe.